Now we are going to explain about a project titled A Modified Scheme for Preventing Web Application Against SQL Injection Attack. So now coming to the introduction part, the modified scheme presents a holistic and adaptive approach to prevent SQL injection attack in web applications. By combining input validation, dynamic normalization, behavioral analysis, and machine learning, this scheme establishes a robust line of defense against a pervasive and evolving cybersecurity threat. As the digital realm continues to expand, innovative strategies like this become essential safeguards to ensure the integrity and security of web-based services. Additionally, the modified scheme introduces the concept of dynamic input normalization, which involves transforming user inputs into a standardized format before processing. This normalization disrupts the predictable patterns attackers exploit, making it considerably harder for them to inject malicious SQL commands. So now coming to the objective part for this project is to establish a comprehensive, intelligent and resilient defense mechanism against SQL injection attacks in web applications. By combining advanced input validation, dynamic normalization, behavioral profiling and machine learning, the scheme intends to create a holistic protection framework that not only counters existing threats but also anticipates and neutralizes future ones. In doing so, it contributes to the overarching goal of maintaining the integrity, availability and confidentiality of web-based services, securing the digital landscape for users and organizations alike. The modified scheme's dynamic input normalization, behavioral analysis, and machine learning components were collaboratory to refine the accuracy of threat detection. This not only bolsters security but also ensures a seamless user experience, fostering user trust and engagement. So now coming to the requirements part, we have two types of requirements, that are hardware requirements and software requirements. In hardware requirements, operating system is Windows is required, processor i5 and above, minimum 4 GB of RAM is required, hard disk 20 GB and above. Coming to the software requirement part, Python IDE, that is 3.7 version is required, and MySQL Workbench is required. So now coming to the methodology part, here first we have home. The home page is the main page of a website. It typically contains links to other pages on the website such as the about page, the contact page and the blog page. The home page is often the first page that users see when they visit a website. Second, SQL injection demo. An SQL injection attack is a type of attack that exploits vulnerabilities in web applications to inject malicious SQL code into a database. This can be used to steal data, modify data, or even take control of the database server. The SQL injection demo page shows how this attack can be carried out. Third, prevent SQL injection via SQM and sanitization. SQM here stands for Structured Query Language Injection Mitigation. It is a set of techniques that can be used to prevent SQL injection attacks. Sanitization is the process of removing harmful characters from data before it is entered into a database. The prevent SQL injection via SQMs and sanitization page explains how these techniques can be used to protect web applications from SQL injection attacks. Fourth, register here. The register here link takes into a users to a page where they can register for the website. This typically involves entering their name, email address and password. Once they have registered, they will be able to log into the website and access its features. So now coming to the execution part. To execute the project, first we need to open the code folder. So here we have a folder which is named as SQM. In this we are containing some Python files which are containing the Python scripts in it. Another folder named as SQM app. In this we are containing again some Python files which are containing the Python scripts in it, and here in these folders we are containing some again Python files and data sets in it. And here this managed is the Python file which is containing the Python script in it, and here this is the run.bat file. Instead of executing the program in command line interface, we created Windows bat file to execute the project. So now to run the project, double click on run.bat file so that manage.py file is compiled. So here in command line interface, we can see that after running manage.py file, the Django framework will post the application link locally at the default address and port unless configured differently. So here you can see that the link has been posted over here. So now copy this link and paste it on any of the browser. Here I have copied the link and pasting over here. At the end, type index.html and press enter button. So here you can see that we have got this framework. Now here this is the home page about SQL injection and attack detection. Now click on register here button so that the user can enter all the details and register over here. Here I am entering the username and password you have to create over here. Enter the contact number, mention your email address and address over here, and now click on register button. So now click on SQL injection demo button over here and input the query over here. And click on submit button. And now click on prevent SQL injection via SQM and sanitization over here. So here enter your query. Suppose again I am entering, please provide your contact number, and now click on submit button. So now going back to the home page, here you can see that this is the home page over here. So now coming back to the conclusion part. In a world where technology advances at an unprecedented pace and where the stakes of security breaches are higher than ever, the modified scheme serves as a beacon of resilience and intelligence. It not only addresses current vulnerabilities but also demonstrates the potential to evolve in step with the threat landscape. In this slide, the modified scheme for preventing SQL injection attacks stands as a testament to the power of proactive, adaptable, and cutting-edge security strategies in ensuring a trustworthy and secure digital future. Through dynamic input normalization and behavioral analysis, the scheme demonstrates its commitment to striking a balance between security and usability, fostering a safe and seamless user environment.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.